Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. Recently, some Android users keep saying that the Bluetooth delay issue with wireless earbuds is occurring on Xiaomi phone or any Android devices. Because of this problem, the Android user cannot listen to music properly. Also, these issues make it impossible to use Bluetooth like usual. So there are few ways how you can solve this issue of Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. So first, you need to go and open the setting on your phone device. Tap on setting. Now first thing is you need to go to the developer option. Tap on system, tap on advanced. So this developer option is inside the system on your phone device. Tap on developer option. And here on this page, you need to scroll down and find out Bluetooth audio. You just keep scrolling down until you find the option. You can see the show Bluetooth device without names and disable Bluetooth E2DP hardware offload and all the other Bluetooth setting over here. From the option, you need to go and tap on Bluetooth audio LDAC codec playback audio. You tap that. Now from the options available, you need to go and choose an option optimized for audio quality 990 kbps 909 kbps option. Tap that. Once that's done, you go to setting homepage once again. Then you go to the tap on connected device, which will open the Bluetooth. Now there's a earphone connected to this. Now you need to disconnect and reconnect with it again. Tap on this setting and then tap on disconnect. Then again you tap on connect. Once the process is done, you need to go to the setting once more. Now in this setting, you scroll down and then tap on apps and notification. Tap that. And there you need to go to the Bluetooth option. Type in Bluetooth and from the search result, you need to go to the Bluetooth app info. Tap that. Then go to storage and cache over here, tap on it, and then you need to tap on clear cache. This will remove all the cache that you have related to the Bluetooth option. Again, tap on clear storage and all this apps data will be deleted permanently. That is your files, setting, accounts, database through Bluetooth. Tap on OK. Now you need to check and make sure that your software is up to date. Now you need to go and check your software update option. If you have a update pending, you need to update your software at first. After working with all the processes with your mobile device, you need to reset your wireless device. So you can reset your wireless device. After that, your problem will be solved and there will be no audio delay problem on your Android device. So this is the few ways how you can fix Bluetooth audio delay. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.